Today we're going to fix this broken garage door window, so stay tuned. Trick question for you. How much does a glass bend before it breaks? The answer is not much. To start with, we'll take off the old glass, which consists of these 8 screws around the frame here, and then we could measure the old glass to replace it. And I'm going to remove the bottom screws last so there's less likelihood of the glass falling out and breaking. Finally, this whole bottom frame will just come right out. I was going to measure the replacement glass by measuring the cracked glass, but it cracked a little too good, so that's not going to happen. Also, I'm a little bit surprised that it's not safety glass, but it broke in these really nasty pieces. As it turns out, the glass was held in there by a bit of caulk or glue, so it would have had to be broken out in order to replace it anyway. Exercise extreme caution when you're dealing with glass, because caution does not get enough exercise. And wear these kryptonite gloves. To cut plexiglass, you just score it with a box knife. Then you hold it firmly over an edge and snap it off. So I measure between the screws, and then you can cut the plexiglass using regular woodworking tools such as a jigsaw with a fine tooth blade. Now to put the window back together, it's best to have one person on each side of the door to hold the pane in place while one guy screws it back together. But what if you're only one man or half a man? Well, what I'm going to do is have the door in the up position and then stand on the ladder so that gravity will hold it in place while I screw it together. I'm going to put a little hot glue on here so the pane will stay stable while I'm balancing on the ladder. With a couple of screws holding it firmly in place, I went ahead and lowered the door so it's easier to work on, and put the rest of the screws in by hand so that they don't break from too much torque of an electric drill. And there it is. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.